Hello everyone and happy April. It's going to be April tomorrow, April 2019. Okay, so I'm making this video to invite you all to the heart chakra meditation workshop on Wednesday. Okay, and the time is going to be at 6:30 at Chi Life Center. So that's my new location at the center, Chi Life Center. So okay. Oh, that was nice. I just noticed that it was shared. Okay, so on Wednesday at 6:30 p.m., this workshop is going to be about opening, balancing, clearing the heart chakra. So it's like your first date with your heart chakra. And then on the 5th is a new moon, and I'm also doing a heart meditation, Kundalini style meditation in mudra to heal broken heart, heal the heart meridian. But this video is to let you guys know about the heart chakra meditation workshop. And I've done these workshops now for, I'm pretty sure, 10 years. It's close to 10 years. So working on balancing each chakra and giving you a guided visual meditation that can help you visualize each chakra and know the element of this chakra, the emotional attachment associated with this chakra, and for you to apply your own situation in that guided meditation of understanding your chakra, clearing out that chakra, okay, working through that and giving it balance, okay? And then once we work on all of the chakras, then we'll focus in on that heart chakra, and you can work through balancing it out and just kind of that purging and letting go, okay? And then when it comes to the new moon on the 5th, we want to open up a new opportunity, planting new seeds, springtime, working with the heart, okay? And connecting to it also on an astrological level as well, working along with the cycles of the moon planetary movement. So basing what I'm working on and the mudras on the 5th of April, which is the actual day of the new moon in Aries, okay? So it's a beautiful thing. We have Aries of the new moon, just to let you know ahead of time. And you can watch the other video as well, but Mars will be in Gemini. So it's a perfect combination of Mars fire and Gemini air. And it just gets communication going, and you can definitely work on that. You don't have to be a Gemini or connected to Mars in that Aries sense, you know, but it's really a good time for you to communicate with yourself and then let that vibrate out and communicate with others in a positive level that's going to be beneficial to you. So this whole week is going to be just wonderful, because looking at the chart right now for meditation purposes, we are in the waning phase. Okay, so we want to clear out. So that's why we, on the 3rd, we really want to get into that balancing the chakras and letting go of whatever it is to bring that balance on the 3rd, on Wednesday, for the heart chakra meditation. And then, you know, Thursday, see how you feel. And then on the new moon, we are going to work on the heart even some more, you know, and planting that new seed, okay, of love and letting go of whatever you feel has been troublesome to your heart, you know, for the last couple months, even from last year, if it's still with you, the new year, you know, January, February, March, and here we are going into April. So yeah, you know, it's a beautiful workshop, and I hope to see you guys there. And if you are far away, which I've gotten some comments and messages last night, I was getting a lot of messages from people. So I'm putting out these videos just as an extra communication with everyone, to let you guys know what's going on. And I have a lot of pages online, but I've been really wanting to add one for people that's far away so they can pay for the workshops and be a part of it, and so on. So I'm not trying to do that too much, but for people that I know, I will that reach out to me, I'll definitely communicate with you for that, especially the crystal workshop that I just had yesterday. So, all right, so the 3rd of April, heart chakra meditation. We want to balance the heart chakra. We want to clear it out, cleanse, and balance the chakras. So I hope to see you guys there at the center. And all the information is going to be in the event, which is on Facebook, on the website calendar. You want to make sure that you go to chilifecenter.com and click on the calendar and see the address. I need to update the address on the website, so we're working on that. So it's a website issue. So we will definitely update that soon, but the address for Chi Life Center is inside the description. So if you read that, you'll see it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope your weekend was fun. I just remembered it was the start of March, so it's going to be April 1st tomorrow. So happy April 1st to everyone. Just be grateful for your life, and be happy for all the people that are in your life right now. I've always felt that way, but March was definitely a strong reminder of how beautiful and important life is, and the people that are in our life. So I hope to see you guys at workshop, and I hope you enjoy April. Namaste.